Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product. And well, it's this guy. You've already clicked on it. You know what it is. It's this vinyl wrap. But what I wanted to show you is just so, because you might have a question, is really how big is it? Well, currently, all the options of the wrap are basically this size. And you can see right here, I'll just show you over here. It is 5 foot by 1 foot. Let me show you down here a little bit so you can see. It is a vinyl wrap. It does have a nice little shine to it. It has a really kind of cool back here. I mean, I say cool because it gives you a reference to which if you need to cut to a certain size of a product, boom, there you go. You've got a grid to help you cut that right size. Okay, now with that, the vinyl is quite sticky. We're gonna see how well it sticks. And you know what? I'm not gonna sit here and talk anymore about it. I'm gonna go take you to my car. I'm gonna put this on, okay? Let's go check that out. We're outside and I wanted you to check this out. I've already started applying it in certain areas, but I wanna show you how to do it. And what I'm gonna do is on a very simple section of panel, gonna be my my gas cap lid. I'm gonna do it right there. So luckily enough, I have a section. Gotta make sure that you have enough that's gonna go over it. So what I'm just gonna do, go ahead and give her a quick cut. That's the thing you got to plan for, is you got to go over. Also on top of that, you want to get something like this. It's an X-Acto style of knife, but be careful. You don't want to ruin your car's paint job. So make sure you can feel that you got a little bit of extra real estate on these, which we do. Let me go get my makeshift squeegee real quick. And it's nothing too crazy. It's an old card, credit card or whatever. Works great as a little squeegee. So let's go ahead and peel the vinyl off. And let's go ahead and get a start on here. What I'm gonna want to do is kind of get a start in the center here. Work your way up and out and around. You gotta work on getting those bubbles. And this thing sticks really well, so you gotta do everything you can to make sure that you're getting the bubbles out. You may have to reposition a few times. And I got a big bubble right there I gotta work out. All right, now here comes a delicate job. And I'm telling you guys, this is my first time doing this. I am not a car wrapper. I don't do like this stuff. So just so you know, I'm very inexperienced at doing this. So if I can do it, you can do it. So what I think I've seen before is you can see, maybe you can see the line, but there is the line to the body and the line to the gas lid. What I want to do is kind of split that difference, right? Or even get closer to the body a little bit. And I want to slice it down and around. All right, so now I got to do a little more detailed cutting just to make it a cleaner line. But for the most part, that is the process. Very simple, very easy to get on. Nothing too aggressive about it. The sticker seems to be a pretty good vinyl sticker that's got some good adhesiveness to it. I think that it'll stick pretty well to whatever it is that you're trying to decorate on your vehicle. So I hope this was of some help for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.